Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Will we get a stimulus package passed before December the 11th? Let's talk about it. All eyes are on Mitch McConnell right now when it comes to stimulus package talks. But things are still at a big standstill. It is believed that he will bring a stimulus package back up this week. But will it just be his little package or the bigger package that everyone wants but him? Congress only has 19 working days left of 2020. So they've got a lot to get done. So let's just see if anything gets done to help the American people. But remember, 19 days is all they have before they go on vacation yet again. The government budget expires December the 11th. So my guess is the budget is about all they will get done, so they can get paid. Richard Shelby said they are working on 12 spending bills for 2021. This will all be put together and get passed before December the 11th. Now, why can't they pass a package for us, the American people? But all they can do is work on the pet projects. Stimulus checks. Lawmakers are being pressured to get stimulus package passed before the holidays. But nobody is really thinking about stimulus for the people right now. Mark Meadows is not thinking about it. Steve Mnuchin is not thinking about it. Nobody but Trump has tweeted anything about a stimulus package. Donald Trump said in his tweet, imagine that, a tweet from Donald Trump, "Get it passed, get it done now." Way to go, Mr. President. That really lit a fire under their feet. Joe Biden has mentioned it in a press conference, but as far as talking to anyone, the only people that he has talked to about it is Chuck Schumer and Nancy Pelosi. That's the only two people that he's actually talked to about a stimulus package. Joe Biden has still not talked with Mitch McConnell, but the Democrats thinks Joe Biden and Mitch McConnell can work things out because of their 46-year good working relationship. So why don't they start talking about it? Start talking about it now and start working out the details. Personally, I don't think their working relationship is going to mean anything to Mitch McConnell. Nancy Pelosi's office has said Nancy Pelosi and Mitch McConnell has not spoken since before the elections. And we wonder why they can't come to an agreement, why they can't reach a compromise. Well, before you can reach a compromise and reach an agreement, you have to first try. And by not talking, they're not trying. Marco Rubio said they are supposed to bring a bill to the floor this week for a vote. And that bill is supposed to have a stimulus check of $1,200 for adults, $500 for dependents in it. But so far, it's not even on the Senate schedule. And they only have today and 2 more days left in this week. But remember, Marco Rubio said this, so believe it if you want to. Marco Rubio was referring to the HEALS Act. Now, this is a very good bill for the American people. It has a lot of good stuff in it. But do you believe Marco Rubio? Let me know in your comments below. What do you think? Are they even going to work on it? Or are they going to just let it sit? Y'all, we are seeing more and more mandates on wearing masks. But a mandate is worthless if nobody enforces them. And here in Pensacola, Florida, I don't see enforcement happening anywhere. On all government buildings, it says you must wear a mask inside the building. Restaurants, they say you must wear a mask inside the building. But then you go in and there's tons of people not wearing masks and not social distancing. A place of business will not enforce the mandate because if they stand up and enforce it, they have a chance of losing business. So they will not enforce it. So what good is a mandate unless it's enforced? I don't think personally we should be mandated to wear a mask. I think you should just do the right thing and wear a mask. But a lot of people won't do that. I have my suspicions on why they won't do it, and I know who these people are, but I won't say it because people will say I'm leaning one way or the other. No matter what I say, I'm wrong because I'm either going to make this side mad or I'm going to make this side mad. So that's why I've quit worrying about that and I just say what I want to say. And I'm losing subscribers for that. But if I lose subscribers for what I believe in, I'm good with that. If I get less views for what I believe in, I'm good with that. And the fact that I always bring up Jesus at the end of my videos. I believe I'm losing people for that. I will always stand up for Jesus because he stood up for me. Y'all, I'm going to say it again. Say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Say a prayer for all the governments around the world. Say a prayer for the people that's been hurt by COVID. Say a prayer for the people that's been hurt by the actions and the lack of actions from their governments. Y'all, Jesus will get us through this. I have 100% faith in him. He has brought me through some remarkable things. He is the reason I'm sitting here today. So if you don't think prayer works, look at me. I'm on top of the ground. Prayer works. Y'all, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Leave your comments. Leave your thumbs up. And please go over to my other channel and watch the Late Night with Amy and Walter. That's me and my wife. It's a blog type show. We answer questions and have a lot of fun over there. We don't talk politics. We don't talk stimulus at all over there. We just have a lot of good fun. So please go check it out. The link is in the bottom down there. Go check it out. If you like it, please subscribe, come back. If you don't like it, you don't have to come back. Nothing lost. Y'all, just know I love you all. We will get through this. You just got to keep your faith. I may have another video this afternoon. I'm not sure, but if I don't, please come on over there and check out my late night show. It's every night at 9 p.m. Until tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. If I don't have another one today, I love you all. Ciao.